Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have opened my Excel spreadsheet. So if I want to actually head over and use this, I will take you on to a tour on how to use this beginner to intermediate to expert. So let's head over and open in here a blank workbook. So let's get started. As you can see right here, we have a ribbon. So you can see a lot of things right here on our ribbon. You can see in here our home page, and you can also insert page layout and all of these things that you have right here. So for example, you can actually do a lot of things right here. So you can change the font as well as the font size and also colors, backgrounds of the cell. So for example, let's head over and type in here hello. I have in here this hello. You can change the font of this into this one. And you can also head over and make this bigger if you want as well. And in here you can change the background color and also the actual color of the specific text. Now you can see this particular ribbon right here. Now this will head over and make you undo some things that you have did, and when you click on it, it should be able to make this possible. Now as you can see right here, this particular text is encompassing two cells. So if you want to make this merge, is we can head over and select those two cells by just dragging and long pressing on them, and you can see in here the option for merge and center. So click on that, and as you can see, it's been merged. Another thing that you can do is you can also wrap this text in order to make this like this one, and it will only head over and use one cell that it has. So once you head over and wrap a text, you can see in here this option. So this will actually make this bottom align, and also this right here and this one. So I will show you how it looks like right now. So I have this top align, and also this bottom or center align, and also this bottom align as well. Now let's head over and enter some real data. So in here, I have asked ChatGPT to give me a sample data set. I'll head over and copy this and paste it on my Excel. So let me just head over and add this, and as you can see, I have this particular data right here. So on this data that we have, we can also add some few more rows if you want. So as you can see, it's actually added on the very far left. So let's head over and then right click on this A cell, and then click on this insert, and as you can see, a new cell has been added just right beside it. So we have now this data. So for example, Isabel doesn't have in here a favorite fruit. We can actually use conditional formatting for this. So let's head over and then right click or just select this actual data. You can see in here the option for conditional formatting. So for this, let's click on this new rule, and then you can choose in here a rule type. So in here you can choose in here this format cells, and you can choose in here a cell value between. So you can also format unique values and only values and above average, or also this top or bottom rank values, and use a formula to determine which ones. So you can also format cells that contain and also based on their value. So for example, for this one, let's head over and add some few more things in here as well. So you can use this conditional formatting right here in order to add some values or duplicate values or below average values and everything that you can have right here. Now, what about if you want to know which students right here has a favorite fruit of banana? So in order to make this possible, we need to use a filter formula. You can see in here a formula bar. Now you just need to use this particular formula right here. So let's head over and resize it. So let's choose in here this student name, and then in here let's choose in here their favorite fruit. So choose this one and then enter this, and as you can see right here, we have in here this people or this students that has a favorite fruit of banana. So if you change this banana right here into apple, let's try to change that. We will now see the students whose favorite is apple. So that's how you use a formula for this one. Now in here we have new data. So this is the number of fruit that they have. So if we want to have a total of it, let's head over and then put in here a formula. So let's enter in here in unequal, and then let's search in here and add sum, open parenthesis, and then select this particular data right here. And then let's close this. And now we have the total number of fruit that they have. Now, what will happen if you want to actually count the students? In order to make this possible, let's also enter in here an equal sign, and then put in here the formula for count, open parenthesis, and then let's select all of the students, then close the parenthesis, and now we should be able to see the count for. Now in here, let's head over and then create a chart. In order to create a chart, we need to head over and then select all of the data that we have. And then in here, we should be able to see an option for chart. Click on insert right here, and you can see in here all of the charts that you can choose from. So for example, let's head over and then choose this column chart. So you can choose 2D column or 3D column, so it totally depends on which ones you want for this one as well. Now if you want to actually choose the actual thing that we want for this, which means we need to choose the ones that actually corresponds to the ones that we have. So for this one, you can use histogram. You can also use 2D pie here as well. So for example, you can also just use this banana or this hole right here, and you can choose which ones you want for this. Now, if you're quite unsure on which chart to use, what we can do is we can head over and choose this recommended charts. Now, I have in here the chart preview, and this actually measures the fruit that these people have. And you can also see in here that it actually divides it all throughout, and it's actually quite good looking. So let's choose this one right here and click on OK. And as you can see, a chart will be added in this case. So you can actually just resize it whatever you want it to be. Now if you want to add some legends, you can click on this plus icon right here. You can add access titles. You can also add chart title as well as data labels, and also the data table that we have. We can also have error bars and also some legends and also some trend line. If you want to actually edit it out, click on this chart styles right here. You have in here the option to change the color. So for example, you want to make it black, you can choose this one, or you can also choose these colors that they have available for this one. So for example, let's choose this monochromatic palette 12. And as you can see, they have been changed. Now if you want to change them individually, you can click on any bar that they have right here, head over to the home, and then put in here a color you want to use. Now as you can see, this has been changed. Now once you're done with everything, you can see this icon right here on the upper corner. So let's head over and click on that. And then from in, just click on this browse option right here, and then locate wherein you want to save it, and also rename it if you want it to be. And then after that, save this progress, and then as you can see, it will be saved to your computer. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.